What up guys, it's your boy back at you again with another video. Today is going to be a little bit different. If you guys can tell as the title, I'm going to be cleaning my PlayStation and my brother's PlayStation. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. If you guys don't know how, I'm going to switch to my GoPro so you guys can see it, how I do it. But I'm not going to be able to talk. I'm going to put things how I tell you how to do it. These are not the actual proper tools, guys. Those are not the actual proper tools, but it gets the work done. I mean, I don't have the actual tool that I need for the screw, but I will show you guys that in a couple of minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the thumbs up button for your boy and subscribe if you haven't already. I do gaming videos, so let's do this. Yo!
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Burning the bridge that before all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spend I'm here and I'm fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live,
guys, I got done with one PlayStation. We're gonna hook that sucker up and we're gonna see what it sounds like after. I should have played it when it does have that on. It sounds like super loud. Like you can't even hear your TV. You gotta turn up your TV loud enough to hear your PlayStation. I mean, so you won't have to hear your PlayStation because it's so loud. But I'm gonna play it right now, guys. I'm gonna hook it up and I'm gonna show you guys. It's quiet. It purrs. All right, guys. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Hopefully you guys can see. It's not gonna let me. But you hear it, guys? Nothing. And I have Fortnite on, so it's not making a super loud noise, because any game you play, no matter what it is, it'll make it sound super loud, guys, like an airplane in your house. Hope you guys liked this video. I only did one PlayStation, but the next is mine, and I'm just gonna, just do it how I did my PlayStation also. I hope you guys liked this video. Smash the thumbs up button for your boy, and I will upload tomorrow for a new Fortnite gameplay. Peace out. God bless. Yo.